Today I will show you how to navigate Azure Portal. It's very easy. On your right you have the settings. You can choose different directories. Directories are something like companies. Then you have the appearance where you can change your menu, theme. Then you can change the language, your information. This one is notification. This one is feedback. This one is Cloud Shell. It's something like terminal that is connected to your Azure resources. You can create resources, remove resources. You can use PowerShell or you can switch to Bash. You can manage files, create sessions, change font size. Then, uh, then you have the dashboard. Uh, in your dashboard, you can pin different resources or different group of resources, some charts, some graphics. On your left, you can see the panel where you can choose some resources. You can organize them. These are your favorites. Then you have the search bar. The search bar you can search. For example, we want the storage account. When you enter to see something, no, something like new windows is open. You can close it, or you can make it bigger.